And you are watching my channel Tech. Welcome to Tech. In this video I am going to discuss the paper of class 10th IT exam held on 25th November 2021. Information Technology Term 1 exam, maximum mark 25, time allotted is 60 minutes. This paper is divided into 3 sections, A, B, C. Section A is of 5 marks and has 6 questions on employability skills. Section B consists of 15 marks and has 20 questions on subject to specific skills. You have to choose out of 20, you have to answer 15. Section C consists of 5 marks and has 7 questions, competency based questions. And let's we'll start a question paper. Section A. You have to answer any 5 questions out of 6 questions. One question is you can skip. You have to answer 5 questions. There are many reasons why interpersonal communications may fail while communicating. The message may not be received exactly the way the sender intended, and therefore it is important that the communicator seeks dash to check that the message is clearly understood. Answer is options are description, feedback, channel, sign. Answer is feedback. For an effective communication, feedback is essential. Question number 2. Which one of the following is not a barrier to effective communication? Physical barrier, B. Linguistic barrier, C. Interpersonal barrier, D. Subjective barrier. We have seen all these physical barrier in the previous chapter videos and in your textbooks and online document. This is not an effective barrier. Subjective barrier. Answer is D. Question number 3. To perform well at work and life in general, you must be able to manage and improve yourself in various skills. Which of the following skills help you to prioritize the things you have to do, remove waste and redundancy from work? A. Responsibility, B. Time management, C. Self-awareness, D. Adaptability. Answer is time management. 3. B answer. Number 4. Managing stress is about making a plan to be able to cope effectively with daily pressures. Always keep in mind the ABC of stress management. The acronym ABC stands for A. Ability, burden, concise, B. Adore, believe, cause, C. Adversity, beliefs, consequences, D. Adapt, balance, cooperate. The answer is C. Adversity, beliefs, consequences. Number 5. Neha is receiving several mails from companies who are advertising a product or trying to attract her to their websites. Such type of mails are called A. Advertising mails, B. Bulk mails, D. Spam mails, D. Labeled mails. Answer is C. Spam mails. Spam. Number 6. A computer automatically runs a basic program called dash as soon as it is switched on or the power button is pushed on. A. BIOS. B. iOS. C. BOS. BOSS. D. POS. POS. Answer is BIOS. Basic Input Output System. As soon as we switch on the power button of the computer or a laptop, a program BIOS will start runs. Which will connect all your peripherals to properly working or not. Then the system will boot and the windows will open. That is called BIOS. First programs runs when you switch on the system is BIOS. Next is section B, subject specific skills. Here 15 questions you have to attempt out of 20. Styles helps to improve consistency in a document. Identify the styles that is used to format graphics and text frames, including wrapping text, borders, backgrounds, and columns. A. Numbering. B. Character. C. Graphics. D. Frame. Answer is D. Frame. Next question. Argument passed to a macro and from calc are always A. Strings. B. References. C. Numbers. D. Values. Answer is D. Values. Argument passed to the macros from a calc is always values. Question number 9. In a document, dash is used to apply a style to many different areas quickly without having to go back to the styles and formatting window and double click every time. A. Fill format mode. B. Formatting window. C. Painting mode. Painter mode. D. Text wrapping. Answer is A. Fill format mode. We can apply it very quickly through this fill format mode. Just we have to click and just we have to apply the text to a large document. Question number 10. Tanu explained his class that to apply an existing style except for dash, position that insertion point in the paragraph, frame or page, then double click on the name of the styles in one of these lists. A. Window style. B. Character style. C. Paragraph style. D. Cell type. Answer is character style. Question number 11. The dash window shows the type of styles available for the OpenOffice component you are using. A. Styles and formatting. B. Font and formatting. C. Insert. D. Edit. Answer is A. Style and formatting. Question number 12. In a writer, Dash refers to the reference point for the graphics. This point could be the page or frame where the object is, a paragraph or even a character. A. Arrangement. B. Anchoring. C. Framing. D. Text wrapping. Answer is B. Anchoring. Next question number 13. Dash function takes data from a series of worksheets or workbooks and summarize it into a single worksheet that you can update easily. A. Summation. B. Data consolidation. D. Data format. D. Data chart. Answer is B. Data consolidation. Next 14 question. Two other toolbars can be opened from picture toolbar are the dash and the dash. A. Edit picture, color picture. B. Format and drawing. D. C. Graphic filter toolbar, color toolbar. D. Floating toolbar, color toolbar. Answer is C. Graphic filter toolbar and color toolbar. We can open in a picture toolbar, that is graphic toolbar and color toolbar. Next question. If you are continually working with the same range, then you may give a name to the range using dash option under data menu. A. Define data. B. Define range. C. Define reference. D. Define address. Answer is B. Define range. Next question number 16. In Calc, using the subtotal dialogs, you can select arrays and then choose a statistical function to apply to them. For efficiency, you can choose up to dash group of arrays to apply a function. A 2, B 3, C 4, D 5. Answer is B. You can choose up to 3 group of arrays to which to apply a function. Question number 17. Solve option under tool menu amounts to a more elaborate form of dash. The difference is that the solver deals with the equations with multiple dash. A. Unknown variable, goal seek. B. Variables, equation. C. Goal seek, unknown variables. D. Subtotal, goal seek. Answer is C. Goal seek and unknown variables. Elaborate form of goal seek, and the solver deals with the equation of multiple unknown variables. Question number 18. Usually, you run a formula to calculate a result based upon existing values. By contrast, using dash, you can discover what values will produce the result that you want. A. Subtotal. B. Scenarios. C. Sort lists. D. Goal seek. Answer is goal seek. Number 19. Rama and two of her friends are doing survey of gender-wise employment rates of their locality as a school project using spreadsheet. They all want to work simultaneously to complete it on time. What option should use to access the same spreadsheet to speed up their work? A. Consolidated worksheet. B. Shared worksheet. C. Link worksheet. D. Log worksheet. Answer is B. Shared worksheet. If you want to speed up the work, then you have to share the worksheet. Answer is B. Shared worksheet. Next question number 20. In Calc, you can use a cell reference in one or several formulas to refer to A. Data for one or more contiguous cells on the worksheet. B. Data contained in any software. C. Data contained in any format in databases. D. Images in picture gallery. Answer is A. Data from one or more contiguous cells on the worksheet. You can give the cell reference. Which one of the following is an example of RDBMS, Relational Data Management System? A. Mongo database. B. Windows registry. C. Publisher. D. Oracle. Answer is Oracle. D. Oracle is an relational database management system. Next question 22. The dash has evolved since the 1960s to ease increasing difficulties in designing, building and maintaining complex information systems. A. Knowledge concept. B. Formula concept. D. Database concept. D. Forms concept. Answer is C. Database concepts. Next question. Writer's table of content feature lets you to build an automated table of contents from the dash in your document. A. Template. B. Style. C. Headings. D. Tables. Answer is C. Headings. Next question 24. In Calc, to create the reference with the mouse, A. Both spreadsheets need not be open. B. Select the cells in which the formula is going to be entered. C. There is no need of is equal to symbol. D. Cell reference is not required. Answer is B. Select the cell in which the formula is to be entered. We have to first select the cell. We are creating by mouse. Reference we are creating by using the mouse. So we have to first select the cell. Next question number 25. Dash can be used in Calc to jump to a different location from within a spreadsheet and can lead to other parts of the current file, to different files or even websites. A. Tables. B. Goal seek. C. Autosum. D. Hyperlinks. Answer is D. Hyperlinks. We can create hyperlinks to jump to a different location in the same document or different documents or to a web page. Next question, to question number 26. Any settings that can added to or modified in a document can be saved in a template. Which of the following settings below cannot be included in writer's document and saved as a template for later use? A. Styles for later use. B. Printer settings. C. Format and setting of tables. D. Formula setting. Answer is D. Formula settings. Section C. Competency based questions. Here 5 questions are you have to attempt out of 7. Ramakant is running a business and has to send letters to number of delegates. A dash can be also quick way to make a list of people's mailing addresses and generate labels or envelopes with the addresses for different persons on each label or envelope. Answer A. Mail merge. B. Email. C. Paragraph. D. Style. Answer is mail merge. If you want to send one document to a number of people, you have to use mail merge. Or if you want to send a certificate or invitation to a number of people, you have to use mail merge. Next question. Vinita has to prepare a report on her research work in which she needs to include images and text. Which feature helps to balance the relation of graphics to the surrounding text, which may wrap around the graphics on one side or both sides? Can overprinted behind or in front of the graphics or treat the graphics as a separate graph or character? A. Arrangement. B. Alignment. C. Table of content. D. Text wrapping. Answer is D. Text wrapping. Next question, 29. Jagriti has inserted an image in a document. She wants to resize the image. Which options of the word processor image format should be selected to let the 2 dimensions height and width change so that the proportion is maintained, allowing for a scaled resize? A. Keep ratio. B. Keep aspects. C. Crop. D. Contrast. Answer is A. Keep ratio. If you want to resize an image, we have to resize keep the ratio. We can grab the image. Next question is question number 30. Statement 1. The data from consolidation ranges and target range are saved when you save the worksheet. Statement 2. If you later open a worksheet in which consolidation has been defined, this data will not be available again. Identify the correct one. Statement 1 is wrong. B. Statement 2 is wrong. C. Both the statements are wrong. C. Both the statements are correct. Answer is B. Statement 2 is wrong. Because when you open a sheet again, the data will be saved. So the statement answer is B. Statement 2 is wrong. Next question 31. In spreadsheets, statement 1. To consolidate by rows, to consolidate by row labels or column labels, the label must be contained in selected source ranges. Statement 2. The text in the labels must be identical so that rows and columns can be accurately matched. Statement 3. If the rows and columns does not match any that exists in the target range, it will be appended as a new row or column. Consider the three statements, identify the correct one. Statement A, statement 1 and 2 are correct. B, statement 2 and 3 are correct. C, statement 2 is correct. D, all the statements are correct. Answer is D. All the statements are correct. Next question. Question number 32. Malini wants to store a huge amount of information about her zone in a database. She should not repeat it in her file. Her friend Gargi explained her various benefits are storing data in RDBMS. It helps in preventing controlling duplication of data. Which of the following terms is used to refer to duplication of data? A. Data sharing. B. Data privacy. C. Data redundancy. D. Data integrity. Answer is C. Data redundancy means duplication of data. Duplication of data will not occur when the data redundancy. The option C is the answer. The last question. Rohan has 50,000 that he wants to invest in two mutual funds for 1 year. Fund A is low risk fund with 18% interest rate, and the fund B is higher risk fund with 21% interest rate. Which feature of spreadsheet calc will be helping to decide? A. Solver. B. Subtotal. C. Linking sheets. D. Macros. Answer is A. If you want to calculate some values based on input values, you have to use a solver option. Here is the answer key for the Term 1 examination. All the answers are here. You can check it out. And that's all about the Term 1 exam answer paper. We'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye. Bye-bye. This is the answer key.